What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for the PlayStation 5, where today I'm going to be showing you guys something very important that I think every PS5 user should know. And that is the easiest way to correctly remove the side plates from your system without causing any issues. Because as most of you might know, these actually do come off, and it's required if you're either trying to upgrade the SSD or simply clean the system. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first, you obviously want to make sure the system is completely off and that all the cables are unplugged from the back of the PS5. And once this is done, I'm going to remove the stand from my system by placing the PS5 front side down, and we're going to remove the screw from the bottom. Okay, next we are going to place the system on its side, and this is where we will be actually removing the plates from the PS5. So what you want to do is find the back end of your PS5 and then grab onto the corner with the PS logo, and you're going to be gently pulling up on this corner to remove the plate. And then with the palm of your hand on the bottom of the PS5 where the stand goes, you're going to lift up on the corner and pull down. And that's how you remove the first plate. Next, we're going to flip the PS5 over and do the exact same process. You want to find the back end of the PS5 and then gently lift up on the corner. We're going to pull down, and that should remove the second plate. So once you have the plates completely removed, you can actually see the expansion bay for the SSD upgrade. And then on the other side of the system, there is also a dust catcher where you can clean your PS5 if it becomes filled with dust over time. Now, reattaching the plates to the system is also fairly simple. You basically just want to align the plate to the PS5 until you almost feel it sort of slide into place. And then with your hand on the top of the system, you're just going to push upward on the plate until you hear the click sound. Okay, next we're going to flip the system over again and repeat the exact same process. You want to take the plate and align it just very gently until you feel it kind of slide in once more. And then we're going to place our hand on the top of the system and then push upward on the plate until you again hear the click sound. Now, as you can see, once again, we have the PS5 flipped front side down so we can reattach the stand to the console. And once this is done, you are pretty much good to go. So there you guys have it. Now you know how to correctly remove and reattach the side plates from your PS5. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video and found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think. And as always, do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.